Hello, I would like to dedicate this recording to how to set up a Google Meet for the upcoming SPTs using Google Calendar. I'm starting up in my calendar. Make sure that you work in day view or week view, and then just pick any free slot you have. Friday, 1 o'clock, looks good. And start using the form here to fill in some information. SPT meeting Ylva. That is my fake student, by the way. And I would like to add my guests, which is in this case the parent and of course Ylva Lee. Maybe also interpret if needed. In this case, I only have Ylva Lee, which is a former student. So it's me, the organizer, and then we have Ylva Lee, which is the student, which is one of the contenders in the meeting. And if you could make sure that the guests could invite others. You don't want them to edit the happening, but they maybe should be able to see the guest list and to invite others into the meeting. You could also add some templates here, some information on maybe the flow, the agenda, general information, stuff like that. So just add them here. And then I think we are pretty much done. Yeah, let's go for that. What happens now is that Google Calendar asks you if you would like to send an invitation to the guests. And of course, let's go for that. So the invitation is sent. So now let's swap over to the guest and see how the guest sees this. From a student perspective, calendar looked like this. So we see that there is something coming in here, and you can accept the meeting by clicking yes here, or we go to mail and there is an invitation sent by mail, which gives you the which maybe is the most convenient way of doing it, because there you have the link, and here's a very proper way to see when the meeting is, which date and so. So as a student, as a parent, you will have this kind of invitation sent to you, so you submit. Now the mentor knows that you will attend the meeting, and you know as a mentor that the parents will have the link to the meeting, to the Google Meet, and so. So let's continue over to the mentor point of view again and see how it looks like. I'm looking into this one, and I can see here that the student, in this case, has submitted a yes. So student is on for the SPT meeting. And then pretend that we are going forward. It's time now to actually have the meeting. And then obviously it's very convenient to use this one, the link to the Google Meet. So you, as the mentor, prepare for the meeting. And this should be done well in time, maybe 5 minutes before the meeting. So if parents and students are already waiting, you can say, hello, here we are. So join that meeting. Oh, I'm big. And then make sure that you welcome the parents as they, or the guardians as they arrive into the meeting, and push for the agenda, which maybe will be pretty much a monologue in the beginning. But give them the tip that hands up means that they would like to ask a question, or they would like to talk, or something like that, because you will see them in the right corner up here as you speak, and they maybe listen. And of course, it should be a dialogue here, a dialogue. Well, I think that's about it. Remember to train and make a dummy SPT meeting together with a colleague. Go to different rooms and set up a meeting. Read the guide that I've sent out to you as well, because I take some sentences about how to set up a room, lights, and stuff like that. And don't hesitate. Come ask me questions. Invite me to meetings to make sure that we make the best out of this. Thank you for watching. Good luck.